Hello Geminis, what's up? I hope everything is going well. You people are doing well, definitely. And we're here with this wonderful read that is gonna be about, just give me a minute. Yeah. So, it's moreover, I would tell you that Valentine's week read where I'm just telling you why is this Valentine's something probably bringing in for you, specific in the terms of the love life, the marriages, or any kind of situations, new situations, and the often ones. For the personal reading, yes, there is a discussion. We are giving and providing the personal reads at a very concessional discounted prices. Don't worry. February month read, every reads are logged for very much discounted. For the March month, also we have started the pre-bookings, and if you want to have to book yourself your read, personal read, definitely reach us through the tarotcharkad@gmail.com. The reads between the February and the March are going to be very different. It has different packages as well, and the kind of different directions the reads are going to be around. So to know much more, and if you want to book it, if you want to at least going to know about it, just mail us through the tarotcharkad@gmail.com. Okay, let's begin. For you people, Geminis, what do we have? We have the Queen of Wands, Geminis. When I see one thing for you that strictly tells me to reveal it here for you is, yeah, you apparently are trying to be not that jolly anymore, but you are kind of pressurizing yourself and your mind to become or cope like a person who is genuinely, strong-willed, who doesn't cry a lot and who doesn't give a shit about the people, what's happening, what else is going on. Four of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. When I'm telling you having these cards, I'll tell you one thing, that Geminis, when it's about celebrations, when it's about happy marriages, when it is about you fulfilling the desire of the other partner and your own self, their peace comes, their happiness comes, there you are completely filled. Got it? So I think when you see somewhere the directions coming up and which tells you perfectly to be something that how it's coming up, how it's growing in, this is where the Wheel of Fortune enters the game of your life, and it's gonna reveal a lot of goodness. It's also going to push you into new relationships, and yes, it's gonna bring in some imaginative factors as well. Okay, again a card, Eight of Pentacles, Geminis. First thing, I'll definitely tell you one thing, that when see, when we are becoming specific, so because these are general readings, these are gonna be applicable to almost in a general terms for all the Geminis, but where the difference arises is when you have a different moon sign, when your planets are differently placed in your chart, things grow differently. You get to have a specific thought about your own self. This is where the life changes, where your obstacles becomes an opportunity to you. And that is why I often tell people to at least once invest in the personal reading and grab the offers and take it from anywhere you want. But I'll tell you, secretively, it's something that's gonna change your opinion, that's gonna change your life, and the kind of consultation you're getting, that is important over there, because the consultation itself is something that will change your whole thought process of leading a nicer life, and also somewhere it's gonna provide you with some stability, securities as well. That is why it's important that you really grab things, opportunities, and take the personal reading. Eight of Pentacles over here, specific, when the reading is going through it, I'll just tell you, Geminis, that you are most probably into the situation of working hard upon yourself. I see you more working on your own self than on others. I don't feel like you are giving opportunity to other people, you are seeking any kind of guide, you're giving guidances or advices to others. No, you are in your own zone, you are trying to probably make your own life sorted and much more grabbing. And I feel one more thing, that You know that new beginning will come, and it's coming. Remember. Now I'll tell you one thing, Gemini's February month, any marriages if you're attending, you are gonna getting attracted, or you would get hints and lines from the other person. That's gonna happen, Gemini's. And it might also be like if you have attended any kind of sudden weddings, might be possibility that their family would approach you or something, Gemini. It is arising. Marriage perspective, it's gonna be an amazing year for you, because yes, it is kind of attracting marriages for you. And most importantly and most probable, what I see here is your talks, your I think conversation power is going to be very different at a different level, because you're also ruled by Mercury, which is somewhere going to give you attentions, and you will, with your talks, you're going to impress people. I would tell you this thing, because see, somewhere when you are choosing a different personality, the joker becomes a kind of a warrior, somewhere like this. You're choosing that for yourself. So when this thing happens, when your jolly nature is kind of abruptly changing itself to a mature person, you would see the kind of conversation. It's going to be on point. It's going to be very beautifully rectified, and I would say that it's going to be represented in a very nice manner to people, and you're going to attract goodness and good people around you. That's it. So thank you so very much for watching this read. I hope it's resonating. I hope you're all well with it. Do like, comment, subscribe, share, everyone. And for the personal reading, again, I'm just gonna tell you that grab this opportunity, book your reading for February month, and if you really like it, book it for March month as well. Gain amazing amount of abundance in your life and prosperity, guaranteed. That's it. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna meet you in the next video of ours. Thank you.